Hey everyone, welcome back. PopSockets has just introduced its latest innovation, the keycard grip and stand design specifically for the iPhones. What sets the new keycard apart is its long-awaited support for vertical portrait mode, allowing users to stand their iPhone upright, perfect for scrolling through TikTok, watching Instagram Reels, or even viewing vertical videos on YouTube. This model features a built-in MagSafe ring that can be twisted to activate a hinged stand, letting you easily prop your iPhone both vertically and horizontally on a flat surface. For those unfamiliar, PopSockets are a well-known accessory that combine a comfortable hand grip with a functional stand. The new keycard version magnetically attaches to new iPhone 12 or newer thanks to MagSafe technology. The PopSockets keycard is available now in the US for $40. Looking for a sleek way to stand up your iPhone for convenient viewing or hands-free usage? Well, the keycard might just be your next favorite MagSafe accessory. Therefore, I will recommend you to take a close look at it.